Here's 2010. Here's a good one. 2018. 13th seer. It's a Goodman scroll compressor. It's a 2.5 ton. Okay. Okay. It's a running. This is it's a hotel. Yeah, it got some lights out there. I can't tell on these units. Okay, here's a Goodman. Here's a rotary compressor. It's a 13th seer. It's from 2019. It's a 1.5 ton. There's a second Goodman. 13th seer. 2021. The dual zone Goodman. It has a bolt. That's a Goodman scroll. There's another Goodman scroll. 13th seer. It's another 2021. Both are 2021. Here's a Goodman. Here's a Goodman scroll compressor. Here's these slots. It's a 2018. It's a 5 ton. 13th seer. A little dent. Yeah, it's a straight cool. Like there's another carrier. 2010 also. Right here. Here's another Goodman. Not too bad in the shape. There's Goodman scroll compressor. 13th seer. It's a 2012. It's a 4 ton. It's a 4 ton Goodman. Let me check. Yeah, it's a straight coal unit. Yeah. There's a Goodman. Carrier. Another Goodman. These are 5 Goodmans. Yeah, I love this Goodman. Okay. Okay. There's Nardike. There's Dikens. There's Nard carriers. There's a Goodman scroll compressor. Gel tan. There's a Goodman scroll compressor. Gel 11. They're all those straight cool units. Alright. Yep. Okay. This is a Sky. That one's are all the 2 tons. That one's a 5-ton. That's a 2-ton. That one's a 4-ton. Okay? Thank you for watching.